香港人都好中意去露天 cafe 嗰度飲下咖啡，但係咁熱嘅天氣底下咧，好多時都一邊飲咖啡一邊流汗嘅，所以今日喪都涼要喪都露天 cafe 要去幫佢哋潑涼。誒，你哋咁熱嘅天氣底下都嚟露天 cafe 嗰度幫你潑涼啊！涼唔涼啲啊？而家涼唔涼啲啊？好唔好啲啊？涼唔涼啲啊？涼啲啊？繼續啊要，繼續啊！你話繼續就得啦。Hello， 你哋咁熱嘅天氣都喺度飲咖啡，去露天添。我幫你潑涼啊，特登嚟。
I don't understand what you're saying.
Because the weather is so hot and you keep on doing. You like it? Very good. Is it too hot? OK， 你識中文嘅，係早響啊！你又唔幫我翻譯俾佢聽。
What does it mean?
This cold. This is wind. 涼風. It's Chinese. OK. Welcome to Hong Kong.